Hey guys, Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Google Pixel Watch. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today again, being Pixel Day, or I guess unembargo day for Team Pixel members. Shout out to Team Pixel, by the way. And again, just so you guys can kind of see in the background, I do have the Pixel 7 Pro as well. Check out the unboxing there for if you guys want to check that out. So I will be using this with this. So I already kind of set up the watch, and I kind of just wanted to go over it with you guys a little bit. And let's get this quick unboxing going, okay? So they did send me this, and again, just so you guys can see, with Fitbit. So again, you can download the Fitbit app separately. This one is the Pixel Watch LTE. I don't know exactly how you set that up as far as like with the phone carrier or something like that, or if you have to submit a SIM. I'll have to do some further research about that. Again, this is relatively new for me. I've never had a watch that has mobile connectivity, so shout out to Team Pixel. And as you can see here, here is the watch itself. Beautifully designed watch. Again, a lot of people will have some skepticism or some complaints about it, and there's one reason why. But I already went ahead and set it up with my Pixel 7 Pro over here. Again, very amazing device. Let's go ahead and get that open. I'm updating some apps while we're getting that taken care of. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing going. So I did have to swap out the watch band on this device just because. And it does come with two watch bands, just because the first one is extremely long and I can't get that going. So, but let's show you guys what's inside the box, and then we'll go ahead and go over the device a little bit more before we finish. So again, it does come with that extra band, which I definitely already swapped out. It does come with this. Let's see if I can get this out. It looks like the connector, which again, I'm not even 100% sure. I guess you can technically open this all the way. I didn't even try doing that. I just stuck it in there. So it feels like a lot of this stuff is very recyclable. So again, for people that don't want to, waste, this is all recyclable. Looks very similar to the Apple Watch connector. I don't know. I'm going to maybe test it out on my Apple Watch just to see if it works just the same. I don't even know how that would work exactly. How the heck did they do this? Okay, anyways. Maybe it's like this. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna put that aside. So here's the Pixel Watch, right? And I got it set up, not very hard to set up. It's basically like setting up an Apple Watch in a way. You do have to download a different app though. So you do have to download what's called the Pixel Watch app. I figured you would be using it with Watch OS, but no, you're actually using what's called the Pixel Watch, I guess. So the system update is available. I'm going to try to get that going. I have to, I think, have it plugged in to connect it. But as you can see here, it's already connected. It's giving you information like what the battery life is. Again, you can also swap out faces using the app. So again, if I wanted to, I can change the face from that one to that one. I'm going to put use on this watch. So now, again, you can see here that it changed to that specific face. If I wanted to change it to this one, which... Here we go. Sorry about that. I think the app crashed. Let's try this one. Let's use that one. And again, you can change the faces. Again, hold on. Let me punch in the password really quick. So again, I'm just giving you guys some examples here. We can definitely change the watch phases. So again, I'm gonna probably stick to the regular one, but although I kind of like this one, but I think one thing that people are going to complain the most is the and just this is feedback for Pixel, is the bezels. So as you can see there, look at how thick that bezel is. How much more space that you can use. Now, of course, keep in mind, right? And this looks pretty cool in the back also. But keep in mind, again, I'm sure people are going to get watch protective cases or whatever you want to call them, so that they don't scratch this, because again, if you bump this onto something, it's easily going to scratch something. For the most part though, the watch does feel very high quality. And again, the watch, you can obviously get different bands. It has interchangeable bands. I'm not a fan of the white bands. I guess since they sent me the white Pixel, they went with the white banded watch. But I'm more of a dark band type person. But again, this will pop a little bit. But the phone is expected to release tomorrow, which is October the 13th. So I don't know if you can go to Best Buy, but you know, again, the watch is very light. I'm sorry, the watch. I don't know why I said the phone. The watch is very light, 36 grams. It's about 12.3 millimeters thick. So it is a little thick considering if I can compare it to the Apple Watch, it's a little bit bigger. And I don't know, if you just look at it, it looks kind of like UFO shaped. It doesn't look very appealing to me as far as like the way it looks. Now, of course, like if you guys look at it in much greater detail, like it looks good. I mean, like it feels very good in the hand. It feels very premium. Like it's got all aluminum surroundings on it. It says it's running Android Watch 3.5. Let's go ahead and just jump into the interface really quick. Again, I don't have the watch connected, so let me get logged in here. So again, you just swipe up, and again, system update is available. Battery is too low, so it's at 77%. So I don't know why it says that the battery is too low. I'm gonna have to get that plugged in. But again, you swipe down and you get little features like, you know, airplane mode. You can turn on flashlight. You can connect a credit card to it. Find your phone. So again, if you lose your phone, you can use that feature. That's obviously a feature on Apple Series watches as well. If you swipe to the right, hold on, it's got little swipe features. So you can obviously press the watch side button to go home, right? You can press this one to talk to Assistant or talk to Fitbit as well and look at the apps that you have. So it's got two buttons. It's got that one and it's got this one. And again, this one, I think if you double tap it, it'll go back to your last app. Keep in mind, I don't have the watch on, so that's why it keeps going back to the lock screen there. Hold on one second. And I keep entering the password wrong, so that might be an issue for some people. Again, you go to settings and you can change settings. I did change hold on, let me go back really quick. So it's got swipe gesturing just like everything else. So you can adjust the brightness, right? And again, this is just kind of like a brief overview, a little bit of an overview. Kind of like it to be a little bit bright. So font size, let's see, font size. I made it as big as I can get it, but I'm gonna have to change it one down just because the screen size it looks big on the screen because I have it like right here, but it's really not that big. Again, I'm gonna leave it like that. Screen timeout 15 seconds. So it's got a lot of little different things. Now, of course, you can download the Fitbit app to make this app very, I guess, more usable. But for the most part, again, guys, it's just a quick overview of the Android watch. And again, just to, I guess, give you guys a little bit more specs on the watch, right? I love the Pixel 7 Pro over here in the background. But yeah, I mean, just to give you guys a little more specs on it, right? Again, it's got GSM HSPA LTE technology in the watch, right? So you can have some sort of connectivity, right? The front glass is Corning Gorilla Glass 5 stainless steel frame. So it's got that stainless steel frame on the side, right? Its dimensions are 41 by 41 by 12 by 12, and it's 3 millimeters, or 1.61 times 1.61 times 0.48 inches. Again, it's got eSIM according to this, 50M, 5 ATM water resistant, so IP68 water resistant, ECG certified. It's got an AMOLED screen, so it actually does look pretty good. The size is 1.2 inches. This is something that Google definitely does need to work on for the next version of the Pixel Watch, especially for guys, because I mean, guys like to have the bigger face heads on their watches, so I can see that happening. Again, running Android 3.5. It does have an Exynos chipset, which I think is very interesting, actually. An Exynos 91110, which if you know what Exynos, that's Samsung's. That's a Samsung branded chipset. Interesting. CPU is a dual core, right? So really, you're not going to get like top of the line specs. It does have 32 gigabytes of internal memory and 2 gigs of RAM. So no card slot available, unfortunately, on this. I haven't tested out the speaker yet. We'll have to maybe check that out a little bit later when testing out maybe some music or maybe some callback, right? But for now, again, it does have that wireless charging technology. So again, I would just have to plug this in, and this is a magnet. It definitely hangs on to it pretty well, although it's definitely not as grippy as you would get with like the Apple Watch. Like the Apple Watch, it sticks. This one, it's just kind of on there. So I think that's very interesting. Okay, so again, and colors, they have it in matte, polished silvers, and champagne gold. So very interesting, guys. So again, guys, this is just a little quick unboxing and overview of the watch itself. Definitely want to give Google a shout out for sending this out to me. Again, shout out to Team Pixel, and shout out to the Google Pixel watch here. Now again, this watch, I don't know why I keep saying phone. This watch does retail at $349, so I will be posting an affiliate pre-order link down below if you guys want to check that out. So again, guys, Mike from B-Tech Reviews signing off. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button if you guys liked the video, and as always, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time.